That's right. In 272 days, we took $668,000 and turned it into $1,668,000. We made $1 million. We increased our portfolio by 150%. And when I say we, I mean Trent and Mark, Samantha and Bart, and I. We recognized that AI would give us access to all the data in the world on all the stocks in the world if we knew how to write the prompt, if we knew how to describe to AI what a growth stock looked like, what its characteristics were, what its growth trajectory had to be to achieve what we set out, first of all, is to achieve 100% return over the next 3 years. Well, we, in the group of about 60 stocks that we managed, we picked up some that got 300%. We recognized Applied Digital. We recognized Iran back about 8 months ago. We recognized Navitas. We even recognized Skywater. And they took and pulled along the other stocks that we had in the portfolio, of course, being Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA, which did not, in the last 272 days, achieve 150 or 100% return, but they brought the rest along. And I think we're happy about that. But I think what we're even more happy about, or happier about, is that we built a platform that we believe we can do it again and again and again. Because what I recognized was that there are about 370 stocks each year that get in excess of 100% return that year. And there are roughly 125 of those that get in excess of 200% return. So it's kind of like we know they're there. We just got to find the formula, the algorithm that brings them to the surface. And how we did it was we said, well, let's find some that have done it and see what they looked like in their infancy, in their adolescence, and then in their maturity. And the first ones I started with was Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla. No, not Tesla, NVIDIA. What did they look like? And I think the best example of that is NVIDIA. Back in 1995, it was a chip designed to run games, video games on your computer. And it was struggling to exist. And then Sam Altman created AI and said, I need a stronger chip to train my AI system. And he went to Jensen, and Jensen said, here, try this. And we know the story from there. But what I did was say, okay, what did NVIDIA look like in 1995, and what were the characteristics, what were the metrics, the financial metrics that then brought it to where it is today, and it achieved astronomical growth. Using that platform, I created my AI, just like Jensen said I should, and I fed it into ChatGPT and said, okay, here, these stocks look like an NVIDIA of 1995. Now, analyze the other metrics, the financial strength, the return on equity, all the metrics that we are taught how to analyze stocks, and tell me, based on the template I've built, what's their price going to be in the next year, the following year, and the following year, and set up a 3-year program. Are they going to give me a 100% in 3 years? And that's truly what I was looking for. but I got surprised. And we've achieved 150% return on our original investment of $668,000 to $1.668 million in 272 days. And as I said, I'm confident that if we can't do it in 272 days, we'll do it within a year, because this AI innovation is picking up its speed. And on the other side of it is the Samantha and Bard are getting smarter. They're moving into where they're asking me questions about how I want to analyze the stocks. They're presenting me situations where this prompt you gave me, Kerry, doesn't fit this stock. They don't grow revenues. They increase in price as Bitcoin goes up in price, as gold goes up in price, as silver goes in. There are no revenues coming in. So you need to change your prompt. Here's a suggestion. That's what's happening. So am I confident that we can repeat our first show? I think so. So celebrate with us. It's kind of cool to make $1 million in 272 days. But the beauty is that we started with 668. We're starting the next 272 days with $1.6 million. So if we double again, we now go to 3.2 million. And then the next 272 days, we go to 6.4 million. This is the secret of getting filthy rich. You make the first million, and then you use the same tools to make the next 2 million, 4 million, 6 million, 8 million, and you change your life. That's what I want to offer you. You can change your life. Let me help you. You've got to take the first step, though. You've got to get on the bus. Bus 13. And learn how to identify good stocks. We'll put it out to you every day. You'll go to Kerry's tell sheet, and it'll tell you what's the best buy today based on the price today and the projected price next year, the year after that, and the year after that. And then you'll learn. And then you'll teach your children and your grandchildren. And you will change your life. Come get on the bus. It's exciting. Join the party.